Alright, so here's my example of my biome wordplay. As you can see, I did the cometal snake, which is a mixture of a rattlesnake, there's the rattle, and then a camel. And you can see the two humps and the four legs like a camel. So we're going to read through my poem first one time, and then when we go back through, we'll stop and point out all the uses of wordplay that I had throughout my poem. So, the superb cometal snake, sneaking, snooping, and zipping through the boiling, hot, sharp sand. The cometal snake looks for food faster than the sun can rise. The cometal snake is warned to watch for the wild cactus, who lives in the rolling sand, that sly old cometal snake. So let's go back through and read through it, and we can underline different uses of wordplay throughout my poem. The superb cometal snake, sneaking, snooping, and zipping. That sounds like an alliteration, so let's go ahead and underline that in red. And if we remember from our anchor chart, alliteration is the using a number of words having the same first consonant sound. Superb, snake, sneaking, and snooping all start with the letter S. Next, we have and zipping through the boiling, hot, sharp sand. Zipping is a word that imitates a natural sound, so that would be an onomatopoeia. And we can underline zipping in purple. Continuing on, through the boiling, hot, sharp sand. So boiling hot would be the use of personification because sand cannot boil. So we'll go ahead and underline boiling and sand because they go together. The cometal snake looks for food faster than the sun can rise. We can use that as a use of metaphor because that cannot happen. It's comparing the cometal snake looking for food and the sun rising. So we'll go ahead and underline that all together. The cometal snake is warned to watch for the wild cactus. That's a use of personification because the cactus we can't really have a wild cactus. A cactus can't be wild. So let's go ahead and underline that. We used orange earlier for boiling sand, so we'll go ahead and use orange again for wild cactus. Who lives in the rolling sand, that sly old cometal snake. And that seems to be it, and so that is my example, and now I want you guys to do it on your own.